Welcome to Smits final video before we go over south. My voice cracked. God. The lighting. Hopefully this works. And if it doesn't, I'm gonna be really pissed. I didn't really have time to check anything. So in the last video, we reacted to the boss's house, but the problem is that the microphone, or sorry, the audio was behind the recording. The screen recording was ahead of the audio itself. It was delayed. I don't know what happened. Let's hope it works. More of me sounding sexy with more trend reacts. I can't sound sexy. I'm sorry. I really can't sound sexy. All right, let's try. Now that that's over with, let's unprofessionally do this. Hopefully this thing will work this time, and react to more of this. No, I almost hit the. Oh, did I have him in the nuts? Almost.
What's up, guys? We're Dude Perfect. Welcome to Airplane Trick Shots. Here we go.
Not for copyright, by the way. Please do not copyright me with this. Oh, skirt. Beautiful. I man, you're not a fan, eh? I haven't watched Dude Perfect in a while.
From the top level of DPHQ2, as you can see, I have fastened an extra sharp pointy device to the nose of my plane because I've got a blind balloon downstairs in the kitchen, and this is the blind balloon buster. Here we go, boys.
Oh god, my audio on my computer sucks. Oh no, it didn't. No, never mind. It went properly. Never mind. 3.
Here's about to be so lit, fam. I'm just kidding. Supposedly that's what the kids say these days. Anyway,
Oh, shut up, old man.
Pure savage.
Wait, how does that even work though? How does that even light it? I wonder.
I have done some trust shots. I'm a little nervous about it. I have a plane with a death device on the front of it to pop this balloon. I hope there are no bloopers on this. If you get this one, people are gonna like. They'll like the video if you get this shot. I appreciate that, guys. Okay. We all do. This is the no looking looper.
Oh wow. Why would he have that in his balloon though?
I mean, come on, huh?
Gong.
This is your captain speaking. We no longer have any wings. Got our modified plane, a couple wingtip adjustments, and we're gonna go for a barrel roll.
Pretty god of this.
Barrel roll bomb.
Do a barrel roll.
That was amazing! Bad Cat, this is Speedbird. I've been hit. Need immediate evac. Going into enemy territory. My hook's deployed.
We're burning on the side. God, we need to fix our plane. Oh, and well, they're dead. Oh, say goodbye to the crew. They're dead. They're all dead. Let's be honest, they're all dead.
Truth is, that went a lot differently in our minds.
What a save!
He was so much safer floating down in his parachute. This is the airplane boomerang.
It's just like an indoor hockey rink that isn't like ice type of thing. I don't know. Boy. Oh, okay. I really don't know why they fill their balloons with those type of things.
Here at DP, you might just want to start referring to us as rocket scientists because we have had another breakthrough in technology. Number 2 pencils on the wings, ready to bust bottles. Here we go!
How is this like modern technology? We've had pencils for so long now. Just cuts right through glass like anything else. Like everything else in existence.
This is the banking gonger.
Do do do.
Here we go, Core.
Wow, that's actually very good.
Let's go!
Check me out.
Headed to the top. And when you need something delivered to you, quick and fast,
You use a plane.
Perfect Express. International switcher. It's go time.
It's only a minute left. This is gonna be a very short video. Good, I need this to be uploaded quickly. Kobe! Oh! MVP!
What's up, guys? Hope you enjoyed the video. Before we go to our normal outro, as many of you know, Hurricane Harvey has hit our home state of Texas, and while being in Dallas, we're not directly affected. We've got plenty of friends and family that are, so we wanted to encourage you guys to join us in not only praying, but also donating by clicking here to the Red Cross. Be a huge help for the people involved.
It's not a cross.
Appreciate it. What's up, guys? Thanks for watching. If you're not already a Dude Perfect subscriber, make sure you click down here so you don't miss out on any awesome new videos. Also, our brand new merch just dropped. Backpacks, shorts, hats, tees, all kinds of new stuff. Make sure you click down here. Go check out the store. Also, if you want to see the last video, click right here. Signing off for now. Pound it. Donovan. See ya.
Alright. Oh, shoot. Oh, God. Cancel it. Don't judge me. I'm watching this right. Anyway. So, that's a good video. I obviously could not do any of that stuff because I'm a noob and I suck at what I do. But, yeah, that was pretty cool. I mean, do what they say, guys. Join them. I don't really do that type of thing, but if you want, I don't care. It's just your business, honestly. And yeah, these dudes are pretty nice, pretty amazing. They really know what they're doing, and I could have done this earlier when I was more trending at lane number 40 now, but I don't care. So hopefully, this isn't delayed, and if it is, then wrong mouse again. Then I guess I'll have to stop recording on this PC of ours. But hey. See you guys in the next video. Bye.